Royalties. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make fenugreek tea spray and fenugreek paste. So today I have my little helper Reno with me, and it's just adding about half a cup of fenugreek seed into warm water. So the water is not very hot, it's just warm, and we're stirring it just a little, and we're going to cover it up for about 2 hours. And what will happen after 2 hours is that the seed is going to increase in size and the water is going to change color. So at this moment, guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button so that you can get more DIY videos like this on how to maintain and take care of your natural hair. So as you can see, after 2 hours, the color of the water has changed and the seeds has increased in size. So what happens now is that the fenugreek tea has been made. Is that simple to make, and it's great for our hair because it helps you to moisturize your hair and also condition your hair, and it also helps to make your hair grow because it stimulates the hair follicles. So I'm just turning the tea into a hair spray bottle so it will be easier for me to apply it to my hair, and I left a little bit of water so I can use it for the paste. So now I'm adding my black castor oil. I bought this from Beauty Bell. Is in my previous video. So I'm going to add a little bit of black castor oil, that's peppermint in it, and this is also great for hair growth. So I'm going to give it a little shake and then it's ready to use. So anytime I want to use this particular water, because oil and water don't mix, I just shake it up a little bit and I use. And I store this tea in the fridge for 5 days. After 5 days, guys, because there's no preservative in it, please throw the water away, okay? So now I'm going to be showing you what I use the leftover seed for. So it has a little bit of water in it. I'm going to add it into my blender, and that's how I'm going to blend it up, and then I'll extract the paste from it. So the fenugreek paste can be used as a hair mask alone, or you can add it to your conditioner to make a deep conditioner and use it to deep condition your hair. So I'm going to be using it as a deep conditioner in my next video, so make sure you watch out for that video. Make sure you stay tuned. Please put on your notification bell so that you don't miss that video. So I finished blending it this way. You can continue, but it's okay because I'm using it very soon. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks and how I'm going to extract it. Extract the paste from it. You can use either your cheesecloth, but I normally use some of my wig cap, you know, the black wig cap you wear underneath your wig. That's what I use in extracting most of my pastes like this. So endeavor that what you're using does not have big holes in it. So this is what I'm just doing. It's messy, but it's needed. So I'm extracting the paste from it, and I'm going to show you guys how it looks in a few minutes. Guys, this is it. This is my fenugreek paste is ready to be used. So don't mind those lumps. You can easily melt them down by stirring the paste more, and it's ready. It is great. Like I said before, you can use it like a hair mask, or you can add it to your conditioner to make deep condition your hair. So thank you so much guys for watching this video, for all the support and love. I see them, I appreciate them. Thank you. If not subscribed to my channel, please support your girl, and also like, share the video, and comment down below if you've ever used fenugreek paste or the tea before. Till my next video, bye, see ya.